Hi, I'm Jordi Arnau, General Manager of BD Barcelona Design. We are presenting this week at the Salone in Milan an experimental project between Stephen Burks, Bolon and BD Barcelona Design as part of the Grasso furniture collection by Stephen.
So Grasso is this leather seating collection for BD that consists of a lounge chair, a footrest, and a bar stool. And we're experimenting with the Bolon material for different parts of the upholstery. With Bolon, the concept kind of evolved from a desire that we had to have some physical treatment of the skin of the chair. I wanted to get at something that was very organic and something that related to the surface of the skin. The lounge chair is the kind of primary piece of the collection. With Bolon, we've designed a textile collection. One is with the space-dyed yarn wool, and there are these floats that I'll be cutting by hand, and it creates this very special, almost like hair. The footstool is something that looks like a little creature that you can put your feet up on. And it's also got this moment where the cushion actually looks like it's been forced through the frame and it's kind of pushing out on both sides. And then the bar stool is a continuation of that. It has an even bigger poof of fat coming out of the top and out of the bottom. With Bolon, there's just so much potential in the material. I love its kind of semi-structural quality.
We always wanted to challenge ourselves and to push the boundaries in production, in materials and in design. Both BD Barcelona and Stephen Burks fit so well into this collaboration because they are bold and very forward-thinking. The last couple of years we have been using our woven material for other applications than flooring. So the collaboration fits very well into our future visions.
It's rare to work with an industrial company that controls and owns the entire supply chain. And because they're kind of experimental by nature, we got to really play with it and see where we could go. For us, the closer we get as designers, the closer our hands get to the act of making, the more potential there is for innovation.
We love working with Bolon. They are one of the most innovative companies right now in Europe. They are coming from a flooring product, but I think they have converted the company from a product-oriented company into a design-oriented company.
We think it's not only important to collaborate with others. It's necessary. If you share ideas and knowledge, you get ideas and knowledge.
Right now, this project is in the experimental phase, and we would love to put all these pieces into production very soon.